Hi, I'm Kimberly Landcart, Product Manager at KUKA, and I'm here to introduce 3 new features from KUKA Connect. These features include an updated administrator console, robot sites, and historical analysis for condition monitoring. First, let's take a look at the all-new administrator console. The console has 3 sections where administrators manage their organization's users, alerts, and robots. In the user management section, administrators can invite new users and edit roles and robot assignments. The alert management section provides a list of all alerts. Administrators use this information to determine which alerts appear in the user's alert log tab. Use the toggle switch next to any alert to change its setting. Moving the toggle switch to the right turns it green, indicating all your organization's users can see this alert. Moving the toggle switch to the left turns it red, indicating the alert is blocked for all users. Next, the robot management section is where administrators determine how robots are arranged in a site. KUKA Connect now automatically organizes all robots into sites that correspond to the robot's geographical location. Within each site, an administrator can sort robots into a hierarchy of areas, groups, and teams to reflect how robots are placed in their real-world factories. Arranging robots into custom site hierarchies supports efficient fleet management and ensures each user can access only their assigned robots. Finally, the last feature we'll cover in this video is KUKA Connect's updated condition monitoring section. This graph learns the normal ranges of a robot's motor operating condition over time and plots out-of-norm data points. You can analyze historical deviations represented by data points on the graph and determine if and what further action is necessary. The updated historical analysis graph now displays a corresponding watermark for the highest and lowest motor data measurements ever recorded. Selecting the watermark displays additional information about the peak measurement. Double-click or double-tap the watermark to show the point on the graph where the peak measurement began. This feature makes it easier for you to identify and measure changes in your robot's production environment. Thanks for watching this short walkthrough of KUKA Connect's latest features. For more information on how KUKA Connect can help you, please visit connect.kuka.com.
Orange Intelligenz.